Hi, are you Anna?
Yes. Hi there. Are you Pete?
I am Pete.
Nice to meet you. Let's try that again. I'm Anna. Nice to meet you.
I'm Pete. Anna, is that A-N-A?
No, A-N-N-A.
Well, Anna with two N's. Welcome to 1400 Irving Street.
My new apartment.
Hey, Pete. Who's your friend?
She is Anna. She is new to DC.
Where are you from?
I am from a small town.
Welcome to DC.
Thank you.
I'm Jonathan. I'm in apartment B4.
I am in apartment C2. Marcia is my roommate.
I know Marcia. She is nice.
And I am in apartment D7. I have to go now. Remember to call Marcia at work. Tell her you're here.
Right. Thanks, Pete. Nice to meet you.
You too. Bye.
Hi. Apartment C2, here I come. I am in my new apartment. Great! I live with Marcia. We're roommates. I want to cook dinner. Oh! Is there a supermarket near here? Marcia knows. Marcia's work number is 555-8986. Hello. Is this Marcia? It is Anna.
I'm sorry, you have the wrong number.
Is this 555-8986?
No, this is 555-8689.
Oh, excuse me.
Okay, bye.
One more time. 555-8986. Please be Marcia.
Hello, this is Marcia.
Yes, Marcia. I want to cook dinner.
Excuse me? Anna, is that you?
Oh, yes, I am here.
Good, you are there.
I want to find a supermarket.
Oh, okay. The supermarket is at 1500 Irving Street. It is near the apartment.
Great. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Anna.
There is a big supermarket on our street. And Marcia says I am a good cook. Until next time, bye.
Pete, hi. Hi, we are here.
Hi, Anna. Hi, Marcia.
Hi.
How are you two?
I am great.
You know, Pete, I am new to DC. The city is big.
Yeah, but you learn a little more every day. How's the new apartment?
The new apartment is great. Let's get coffee.
Anna, do you have a pen?
Yes, I have a pen in my bag. I have a...
It is not a pen. It is a book. It is a big book.
Yes, it is, Pete. I know I have a pen, though. I have a...
It is not a pen, Anna. A toy?
I have a...
And it is a pillow.
Pete, Marcia, I know I have a pen.
Anna, it is a map.
Why do you have a map of the world?
Pete, Marcia, now I know I have a pen.
And now you have a lamp.
Anna.
I have a pen. Let's get coffee. Hello, everyone. Today, my friend Marcia is at her friend's house. She says it is beautiful. I want to see this house. Here we are. Marcia, I am in the kitchen. It is a beautiful kitchen.
It is beautiful. We cook in the kitchen.
I eat in the kitchen.
We relax in the living room.
I relax in the living room. Marcia, let's go upstairs.
Anna, where are you?
Marcia, I am in the bathroom. I wash in the bathroom.
I am in the bedroom. We sleep in the bedroom.
I sleep in the bedroom.